What up, world? It's your boy BA for real 100, and welcome to Get Your Bars Up Media. Salute. So I know this is not usually the battle rap thing that I normally do, but we pressing up shirts. So a lot of people been like, man, B, how I've been seeing people with your stuff, man. Are you doing Teespring? Are you doing that? No, I'm not doing Teespring, but I will definitely like to show you how to process, and let's get it. It's super easy. Did tons of research, and yeah, I'll show y'all what works for me. Walking into my media room right now. Let's go. We're in the media room now. The very first thing that you will need, because there's a difference. You got so many different types of perforated paper. So what I use is actually Avery, and we're gonna go dark because it's a difference between what type of paper you got to use between dark fabric and light fabric. But with the dark fabric, we're using, you already see what it is. Yeah, they should be paying me to promote their stuff. But as you see it, DIY. That's Avery, do it yourself. And yeah, we got the paper. What else you're gonna need? You're definitely gonna need. Oh shit, I'm dropping everything. You're gonna need some ink. Definitely gonna need some ink because your ink is gonna go out super duper fast if you pressing out a certain amount of t-shirts. Period, or hoodies or whatever that you're into. Period. Next, you're gonna need a printer, and the printer that I have here. Oh shit, I got stuff all over the printer. I got your normal setup basic printer here, and yeah, sorry, it looks a little crazy. Got that open. This is my my media room, so I do a lot of stuff up in here. Yeah, that's why you can see the green screen. You're gonna need a press as well. And what I was saying is you're definitely gonna need a printer. Now this is not no regular this is not no specialized printer. This is a normal workstation printer. You can get these things online for, I want to say, I got mine because I wanted to step up a grade. I got mine for about 100 and 110 bucks. You can get nice decent printers for great price. But first step is actually printing out. It's actually printing out the actual emblem or the logo that you're looking to actually press. So here we go. Actually, before we even start that or whatnot, because what I say, the first thing that you need is you need the paper, you need the ink, you need the printer. Definitely. This will save you money in the long run if you're thinking about actually doing prints, because going to other people, having them print out logos, press them on your shirts could be very, very expensive. And I can afford it. I can't even afford. I was blessed. I can afford this ish, but this is about being cost efficient for those who cannot afford it. The next thing that I really want to show y'all before I even start this printing process is my actual shirt press, my heat press, should I say? And let's try. So this will be my heat press here. I'm gonna walk around because I got, as y'all can see, I got my media stuff here. Got all of that stuff. I got the green screen. I got all of that stuff going, but that is for Get Your Bars Up Media as a whole. When we make magic happen. But look here. This is the press machine right here. Now, when it comes to the press, when it comes to the actual press, the press is actually, you can get a press online for, you can go on to Amazon and get a press for 150 bucks. Well, not 100, but 150 bucks or higher. Me, I got this press here for about $200. I've had it for about 6 months, so it's lasted me very well. But then again, I don't press shirts too often like I used to. If you're gonna use a press, if you listen to what I'm saying, if you are going to be pressing out a whole bunch of different things or whatnot, and you're going to be pressing each and every day, I'm going to need y'all to step y'all game up and then invest, because hey, it takes money to make money. If you're going to be doing this all day, every day, then you're going to need a high quality, a better quality press. You feel me? This press that I got, pretty solid. It's a, I don't even know the name of it really. It's a Fancier Studio. And like I said, I got it for about 200 bucks. 200 bucks, great price. And like I said, it's been lasting me for a while, but I don't press every day. But if you press every single day and you trying to get it in, then you're gonna need one that's probably about 500 to a rack, between 500 to a rack, because those are the ones that are gonna last, and those are the ones that are probably gonna be a bit durable than the one that I have. But you're definitely gonna need a press. Next step up, let's get to the printer. Yes, let's get to the printing process. Just to show y'all how easy this is, and I'm sweating because it's It's hot up in here. You already know. It's the end of summer. But anyways, so you want to pick which logo that you like. You can get your logo from anywhere. You feel me? You get your logo from anywhere that whatever logo that you personally made. Me, I had a gentleman make a logo for me, new brand, rebrand, and all of that stuff. Even though, thank my subs that's been rocking with me, but I'm choosing to go with this new one that I got actually here, which is fire. Which I think is fire. Got me in the background making my little that a lot of y'all people be out there stealing from me these days when y'all be talking about battle rap. But this is what I chose to actually press up and print. So I'm gonna transfer this picture that I got from Instagram, right? That I actually, my logo that I actually posted on Instagram. I'm gonna send this to the actual printer. Now, this right here is easy. If you get a printer, you probably want to get a printer where it's wireless based, like mine is, where you can actually send information to the printer, send logos, etc. to the printer without having to actually having to actually hook up cords and be old school. Yeah, I'm old school too, y'all. Y'all see the grays. I'm old school too, definitely. But let's get to this printing process. So now I've sent over my logo to my printer, and what's up next? Now the printer is at work, and as you can see, the paper is going through and everything. So now I'm just waiting on the finished product. Once we get the finished product, I will definitely go over the next step with you. And yeah, let's. So now, as you can see, so yeah, you can definitely see the print coming out is looking really good so far. The logo is coming out of the printer. Something else that you will definitely need is an actual shirt, an actual item to press on. You feel me? So me, I have black tee, so we're going dark today. And since we are going dark or whatnot, yeah, we're gonna set up and we're gonna go on the press. The shirt is almost done, so yeah, let's get to the actual press. This is the fun part. This is the fun part to me. This is fun to me. I love doing this shit. I can't even front. I do. But make sure you definitely have your shirt or your sweater or your hoodie, whatever you're trying to press up. Definitely want to have that. So we're gonna work our way. Well, we're gonna let this finish print. So first, everything has been printed up. As far as the logo on the perforated paper, as you can see, dope logo. Make sure y'all got your bars up. But what you're gonna have to do with this, right, is this perforated paper, meaning that it's one piece of paper stuck to the other. But with that being said, you're gonna have to actually go to the tip of this piece of paper and actually peel the logo off. And let's start. Right, so the logo has been peeled off, and let me show y'all how let me show y'all this. So the logo has been peeled off. It's been peeled off pretty much, as y'all can see. Yeah. It's three sheets because some are gonna be whole, some holistic, some are not gonna be. But this is the next step up would be using the actual press and putting it on the press. And let me show y'all what. So that is the beautiful logo that we just printed out. Super duper nice, etc. What you need to do now is you want to have your press. If it's a t-shirt, you want to have it around, I'll say what works for me. What works for me is about 335 degrees. That's pretty much that's a decent press for me, because if I've noticed that going a lot higher than 335, what it does is it messes up the print. The print looks all funky and different and all crazy. So if this is going to be cotton, polyester, or like a mixed blend, you feel me, as far as t-shirts specifically, then you definitely want to be around. You definitely want to set your press at about 335 degrees. But with that being said, let's get to. You see, it is on. It is definitely on. You want to make sure it's all lined up correctly, so you won't have no cricket looking press logo on your shirt, any type of whatever on your shirt. So you definitely want to have it right. But next, you definitely want to have your transfer heat cover. What this does, right, and it usually comes with the heat press, it comes with the transfer paper as well. You definitely want to have that, so it won't, so if you don't use it, what's going to happen is your heat press gets hot, and what's going to happen is once you put that heat press down on that logo, instead of the logo sticking to the shirt, it's going to stick to your heat press, and it's a mess trying to clean it up. Trust me, I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. I'm trying to tell you, but anyways, next we're about to lay this actually on the actual shirt, so we'll see it. Let me turn it. So now, so as you can see, the heat press paper is directly on top of the logo on the shirt, untouched, and we're still heating up. We're about at 325 now. We are definitely waiting for 335, because like I said before, if you're gonna do a t-shirt, anything that's kind of thin like t-shirts, you want to do probably about 330 to 335. So now we are at 335. So each press is gonna have its own timer. It usually takes about 30 seconds for everything to press and seal on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this, and you can see the clock ticking down, and once it finishes, you're gonna hear a beep. So you all hear the beep right there, right? So now with the beep, you want to go up, and as y'all see, fancier studios, they should be paying me for this, but they definitely not, and I'm trying to get y'all free game anyway. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this off, this piece of paper off. Make sure you're safe, you're not burning yourself up. Voila, look at that logo. Yeah, it's on the shirt, yeah, you see that. I'm gonna pull this off. Like I said, this is still hot, so all of this is still hot, so you definitely don't want to touch it. But as you can see, the logo is definitely on the shirt and ready to go. And I'm about to sit this down because I decided to do this, and I'm doing this all free-handed, so bear with me. So as you can see, the shirt is all set, it's all made, and we're finished. And ladies and gentlemen, let me get in some light. That is how you press a shirt. Like I said, you need three things. You definitely need three things. You need the actual fabric that you're going to use, you need the actual printer, and you need the press. Those are the three main things that you need. And like I said, when it comes to printing shirts and printing logos and pressing shirts, it's going to take a little time. The first time is not always lucky. Some people get lucky. There's an exception. But most are going to be going crazy, pulling their hair out and all of that stuff. But hey, it all works out at the end, but you just got to continue to keep working at it. And it's super duper easy. If you have any questions, hit me up in that comment section. Get Your Bars Up Media. Look me up on Instagram and shit. I will definitely be there, and I will definitely reply back to you to actually tell you what steps and tell you what works for me. But yeah, that's how you print press, yo. That's how you get your product out if you want to get your product out, or if you're trying to support and you have your own brand and you want to wear your own brand. That's how you do it. Like I said, you need the shirt, you need the press, and you need a printer. Those are the three things that you need. Definitely. You have those three things, I guarantee you in the long run, it's going to save you a lot of money. But anyways, I got to get to this. I got to get to this event. So I got to get up out of here. This is your boy BA for Real 100. This is Get Your Bars Up Media. If this is your first time here, click that subscribe button. You rock with me, I rock with you. And if you out there hating just because you think I'm a new guy and you just now stumbled upon my page and I've been doing this for a minute, then all I can truly say is thank you for coming and get your bars up. Salute, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and share to your people. Let them know that it's super duper easy and that you don't got to spend a lot of money paying other people to do things that you can do that's super easy that you haven't been shown or taught. So here, free game. I'm trying to tell you. Holla at your boy. Be blessed. Salute.
Hey, yo, what's good, world, man? Once again, man, it's your boy Yo-Yo Escobar, man, the head honcho, the World Sport Battlegrounds, you know what I'm talking about, man. I need everybody to go head over to Get Your Bars Up Media right now. Like, subscribe, and share that thing, man. Go show Get Your Bars Up Media some love, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's the world's #1 source for battle rap.